How to change phone number on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can change your phone number on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, we simply want to make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram and check whether the app has an update available. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and then open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. What we have to do is from the bottom right, tap on your profile icon first of all. Once you go to your profile page, what you have to do is on the top right hand side, you can see those 3 horizontal lines, and all you have to do is simply tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon. As soon as you tap on the lines, in the bottom you'll have some multiple menu pop-ups. Over here you want to simply go ahead and select the option called settings. As you tap on settings again, you'll have a bunch of different menu options over here. What you could do is select the option which says account in this profile like icon. As you tap on profile icon, you can see a list of many options over here again. What you have to do is at the very top, you can find the option which says personal information, and all we have to do is simply tap on personal information. And in order to change our phone number, what we have to do is you can see this current phone number which we have actually added, and all you have to do is simply tap on it once. As you tap on it, you can see this phone number. Now if we want to change this phone number, we have to follow a few steps, and that is, first of all, we will simply cross out this particular phone number and then enter the new phone number which we might want to use. Once you enter your new phone number, what you have to do is simply tap on the option which says next. As you tap on the next option, you'll have multiple options, and as you can see, we have successfully changed our phone number on Instagram. And this is how you can change your phone number on Instagram. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.